Hey friends! So we already looked at an example with stickers where we had some soccer stickers and some joy stickers. Then we looked at some emoji stickers too. You'll notice though, there's something different about these Lego array slides. Where the sticker slides have the total on this side of the slide, our Legos have the total on this side of the slide. We know, though, that as long as our add-ins are together on one side of the equal sign and our total is on the other side of the equal sign, we can have them on either side of the equal sign. As long as our total is equal to our parts, we're good to go. So I wanted to show it to you this way because we'll see it in both ways. So we're going to start with our total, with our big Lego mat. So here for this array, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 rows. So I'm going to fill in my rows. And then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 columns. So I'm going to fill in my columns. Now, let's say that I'm not sure what 4 times 6 is. Well, I can break this larger array up into two smaller ones. So I can say, okay, this little piece, this array, has 1, 2, 3, 4 rows. That stays the same. But I only have 2 columns this time. And then over here, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 rows again, because our rows stays the same. But I have 1, 2, 3, 4 columns. I can always check this by saying, okay, my rows are all the same, but look, 6 is equal to 2 plus 4. Is that true? Yes, 2 plus 4 equals 6. So I know that I can break this larger array with 6 columns into a smaller array with 2 columns and another smaller array with 4 columns. So now I'm going to look at my multiplication sentences and fill in my totals. So here for this array, I have 4 and 2. So I'm going to type 4 times 2. That's my multiplication sentence here. Then we have this multiplication sentence. And we have, here we have 4 rows times 4 columns. So now that I've written my multiplication sentences, I can solve them. So 4 times 2, well, I can think about it as 4 groups of 2, or I can skip count by 2s. 2, 4, 6, 8. My total here is 8. Then I have 4 times 4. Well, I can skip count by 4, so I can say 4, 8, 12, 16. So this array has a total of 16. Now I'm going to go this way. So right here, I'm going to think, what's the multiplication sentence for this whole big array? Well, it's my rows, which is 4, times my columns, which is 6. So now I'm going to find the total. You might know what 4 times 6 is already, or you could look at the picture to help you. But what we really want to do is make sure that when we add these two numbers together, our totals of our smaller arrays, we get our total of our big array. So we're going to add 8 and 16 together. 8 plus 16 equals, it equals 24. I can check this by counting on my array, or I can skip count and I can say 6, 12, 18, 24. So now this slide is done, and it's your turn to do some Lego arrays. I hope that you enjoy doing these Lego arrays because they make me really happy because I really love Legos. Good luck practicing, and if you have any questions, make sure to go to office hours. See you later.